What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be talking about learning to code under 3 months. So, is it possible for you to learn how to code just under 3 months? Well, you will find out in this video. Learning to code is actually an intentional art. Learning to code is one of the hottest topic on planet Earth. Everybody wants to learn to code for different reasons: to get a job, to start a business, and some just to have fun doing it because they have spare time. Or most people want to learn to code and they want to learn it very fast. So most times you go on YouTube and you see learn to code in 3 months, learn to code under 6 months. So is it really possible to learn how to code in 3 months? So this is a developer talking to you now. I'm a junior developer, so possibly you are also a junior developer, or you're trying to learn how to code. So what can I say about this? Okay, this is it. It is possible to actually get good enough under 3 months, but starting afresh, you'll be able to grab the little you can, and depending on your path you'll be able to get something out of it within 3 months. And if you're that serious, you will be good enough. So what is good enough in this context? For me, I would say good enough is when you can actually build stuff with your skills and someone is willing to pay you for those stuff you have built or you build for them. If you want to get good enough in coding, there are three things that actually come in play here. Number one, which is the drive. So when I say the drive, I mean, what's actually pushing you? Why do you want to learn how to code? So why you want to learn how to code is actually the drive here. If you're trying to learn how to code for fun, then it can take you 1 year, 2 years. You don't really care. But let's say you want to change your career path from maybe marketing to coding, or from any other field to the tech field. Okay, I need to do this fast because maybe my day-to-day activity or feeding, shelter, all depends on this. So 3 months is ideal for you to do it every day for more than 6 hours a day, and in a whole week you're spending 100 hours or 80 as if you're already working and you're already doing it. So it's possible for you to do it depending on your drive. So if you want to start a business, maybe you need to get a startup running in a short period of time. Then if your life depends on the startup, you will do it in 3 months, that's for sure. Then the next thing here is the career path. So the career path you actually choose will determine if this can be done in 3 months. Programming language differs, the way you learn differs, complexity also differs, and things you need to learn as a beginner depending on the career path, the programming language, all differs even though you're programming. So if you want to get into front end web development, or let me just say web development in general, well, I can say in 3 months you'll be able to be good with HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript. So JavaScript fundamentals, you'll be good with JavaScript fundamentals. And if you're starting out with mobile, Java is there, and Swift for iOS is there, and we have React Native is also there. So you have a long way to go. Let's say you're picking React Native, for example. You need to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then React, then. So you see, depending on your path, you have limited time, or should I say, the constraint becomes much depending on the path you pick. So if you want to learn how to code under 3 months, maybe you should go for something key, less bulky, you should say, something maybe you are familiar with. But see, changing a career path, changing a path within the tech ecosystem is possible to do that within 3 months. Let's say you're moving from web development to mobile and you're already good with React. Then moving to React Native won't be that difficult. So 3 months is enough time to actually switch and be good enough. So the third thing is a tip for you to get the most out of this 3 months period. So the thing here is just try your best to avoid tutorial hell. Instead of sticking to a certain tutorial or multiple tutorials every day, reading a book on JavaScript, reading book on Java, what you should do is try your best to get your hands dirty with the basics, learn, then from there you move to building projects. This is very, very important. Move to building projects if you want to get your hands dirty. So that's it for this video. So the first thing here is the drive. The second is know your roadmap, which is the path you pick. Then the second thing here is ditch the tutorial hell, learn the basics, and move straight to project building. So this is the bonus for this video. If you are actually learning to code because you want to get a job, I have a tip for you. What you should do is this: as you're learning to code for 3 months, you should set aside number of projects you want to build, and the last project you should build should be your portfolio. Now, all those projects you have built earlier on should be listed on your portfolio. I have a video about my portfolio and how I listed projects and then project recommendations, so you can check it out. It will be at the top right corner. So make sure you check it out. And if you like this video and you have enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.